And let's jump into mistake number 2. Again, a common one. And this is that you don't label your columns. And let's look at how this is something which we can fix in the spreadsheet that we are using in our project. So here we have the Excel sheet, and you can see that we have these 2 columns here where we don't have any headers. So it's really important that before you start working on any data, you have column headers for each of your columns, and this is really important to do because without this you will not be able to perform a large number of operations on this table. So a couple of things to keep in mind over here. Firstly, all of your column headers should be different from each other, so they should be distinct values, and they should ideally be something which you can read and quickly understand what is the data within that column. So here in column F, where I don't have a header, it seems that these values are defining the kind of relationship that the person has with the company. So it's either an employee or he's a contractual worker. So maybe what I'll do is I'll call it employment type. And this column H seems to be quite clear, and it seems that these are designations. So I'm going to call this designations. And that's it. We've fixed all of our column headers. Each of our column headers seem to be quite descriptive. So employee ID, employee name, gender, country, date of joining, employee type, department, designations, and years of experience. So all distinct values and all descriptive values. And that's how you fix mistake number 2.